Hello, I'm Megan, and welcome to a somewhat average day of my life as a marketing program manager. I start every day by opening the blinds, taking some time to make myself tea. Today it's matcha because I need a little caffeine boost. I'm 8 months pregnant, so sleep has not been as sound as it used to be. First thing I do is log in, check my calendar, check Slack, and respond to any new messages from teammates that I received in different time zones, and set up my priorities for the day. I also really like to use an old-fashioned pen and paper to track the most important things that I need to accomplish that day. Just a good physical reminder. Then it was time for deep work. Even though I've ran these plays a million times, I always like to reference the Atlassian team playbook and how to best facilitate the discussion for the best outcomes. This team in particular had a lot of new people, and so our goal was to align on how work's divided, clearly define roles and responsibilities, and clarify overlaps. So once I refreshed myself on the play, I went into our Confluence space and created a new page using the R&R template. Then I built out the page. I like to use the / command to insert in an info panel at the top. That just calls out the most important information, so the goals for the day, what we wanted to accomplish. And then I also like to tag attendees. So if you use the @ symbol, you can pull up team members. This both notifies them and makes it clear to others who read the page who was involved and what the responsibilities are. After I did some of that prep beforehand, I took a quick break, watered my plant, gave it a little love, and then got ready for the play. When it was time to actually run the play, I dive into the meeting, give background to the team on our agenda, share the link to the page so everyone's on the same page. While there are a ton of tools and integrations, I decided to use Mural Board for real-time collaboration. The Mural Board allows everyone to dive in, document their role, what they think their responsibilities are, and plus what they think other team members' responsibilities are. At the very end, I went back to the Confluence page and assigned responsibilities and next steps on anything that came out of the play. I like to use the @date command, which allows us to sort of hold everyone accountable for when we want to accomplish our action items. After the play, I send a recap out via Slack of what we landed on and when it's going to happen. Then it's time to log off and wind down.